Here at BRECOflex, we've got your back. This backing is WM385. WM385 is a transparent polyurethane with a waffle pattern. It has a hardness of 85 Short A and a coefficient of friction of 1.4. Note that friction is relative to the material and weight of the product being conveyed. WM385 can be glued or heat bonded to the timing belt. WM385 has a standard thickness of 4 mm. It has a recommended minimum pulley diameter of 120 mm. It is recommended for the general transport of materials when wear and cut resistance are more important than friction, such as when conveying glass, wood, or sheet metal, and is suitable for wet areas. It offers resistance to simple oils, fats, petrol, and ozone, and has a temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. BRECOflex offers dozens of backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance finding the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.